Are you a welder looking for a machine that can handle it all, from MIG to TIG to stick, without switching setups or blowing your budget? Then you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best multi-process welding machines you can buy right now. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just upgrading your garage workshop, these versatile welders are built to deliver power, precision, and serious performance. We've researched performance, features, ease of use, and price-to-value ratio, so you don't have to. All the product links are conveniently listed in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest deals and more detailed specs. Let's dive in and see which machine sparks your next big project. 5. Forney 271. The Forney 140 MEP is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine that combines stick, MIG, and DC TIG capabilities, making it ideal for a wide range of welding projects. Designed for both ease and precision, it features a simple start function and a 3-position switch for fast process changes, along with infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls to fine-tune every weld. The welder comes equipped with a 10-foot MIG gun, 8-foot electrode holder, 8-foot ground clamp, 20 amp to 15 amp adapter, and an extra .030-inch contact tip. Everything you need to get started. Built with a durable all-metal case, it's tough enough for daily use and runs on a standard 120-volt power source. For additional accessories and consumables, visit the Forney brand store on Amazon. Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine. The Saker Portable Welder combines cutting-edge IGBT inverter technology with a compact, user-friendly design to deliver powerful, reliable welding performance. With an adjustable 120 amp output and a convenient 5-speed control knob, it's ideal for everything from home DIY projects to professional repair work. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, this lightweight welder offers one-handed operation and easy storage, making it perfect for on-the-go tasks. It supports multiple rod sizes, 330 thou-pinners to 1/8-pinners, and features a hot arc start for clean welds with minimal spatter. Built-in 360-degree cooling and intelligent overheat protection ensure safe, stable use, while automatic current adjustment allows even beginners to achieve smooth, professional results across a variety of materials like carbon steel and iron. Best MIG 200A MIG. The Best MIG MIG 200 is a powerful 6-in-1 multi-process welder designed for serious professionals and demanding tasks. Combining gas MIG, gasless flux core, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun compatibility, this versatile unit supports dual 110-volt, 220-volt input and 2T, 4T modes for superior control and flexibility. With a real 200A output at a 60% duty cycle and rugged construction, featuring a heavy-duty case, high-speed fan, and ergonomic aluminum handle, it's built to outperform competitor models. It welds a wide range of metals, including carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, with spool gun or graphite liner, and is compatible with various wire sizes and shielding gases. The fully digital interface with a large LED display ensures precise operation and easy reading even with a helmet on. Equipped with an advanced industrial safety shield system, it offers overheat, overvoltage, and overcurrent protection for safe, extended use in automotive, fabrication, and industrial settings. 2. ARCCAPTAIN MIG 205 Pro. The MIG 205 PRO is a powerful 6-in-1 welder designed to handle a wide range of welding tasks with ease. With 6 versatile welding modes, gas MIG, gasless MIG, MMA stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun aluminum welding, TIG geek torch and spool gun sold separately, it's perfect for home DIY projects, garage work, outdoor repairs, and heavy-duty maintenance on farm or road equipment. This professional-grade welder supports 2T, 4T, and spot modes, and features advanced settings like inductance adjustment, burn-back control, and customizable pre-post flow times, offering precision and efficiency. Built with upgraded technology, including a 40-watt wire feeder and dual-fan cooling system, it delivers high wire feed speeds up to 640 IPM and reliable performance on both 120-volt and 240-volt power. A large LED display ensures easy reading without removing your helmet, and the integrated app control allows you to adjust and save settings remotely. With its synergic function, beginners can rely on automatic current and wire feed adjustments, making this welder both powerful and user-friendly. 1. Yes Welder 135 amp. Experience unmatched versatility with this multi-process 3-in-1 welding machine, expertly engineered to handle gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. Lift TIG torch sold separately. Delivering a powerful 135 amp output, it tackles mild steel up to 2/5 mincy, thick with ease, and supports 0.30 inches and 0.35 inch 2L welding wire, making it ideal for a broad range of applications. The Synergic control system automatically matches voltage with wire feeding speed while still allowing fine-tuning for optimal results. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned welders. An advanced digital display provides real-time current monitoring for precise control, and the lightweight 11.4-pound portable design ensures easy transport for mobile projects. You'll also get a bonus spool of E71T GS 0.03 inch flux core wire, delivering smooth arcs and easy operation. No shielding gas needed. Built with safety in mind, this welder features protections against voltage fluctuation, overload, overheating, and overcurrent, ensuring both durability and peace of mind. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 best multi-process welding machines. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a passionate DIYer, we hope this list helped you find the perfect machine to meet your needs. If you saw a model that caught your eye, be sure to check out the links in the description below for the latest prices, specs, and customer reviews. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe for more gear reviews and welding tips. And let us know in the comments which welder you're planning to get, or if there's one we missed. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep welding.